Hey everyone, Codex here. Today we are gonna be talking for the first time ever on this channel about Fantom and its current price. This is going to be just a small update on the current momentum so we can understand where Fantom may be heading in the next couple of months. But before we do get into this one, make sure to subscribe to the channel, leave the video a thumbs up and a comment, as every bit of support helps us moving forward. Let's get into this one. So, after dropping in June following Bitcoin's path, Fantom managed somehow to make an insane comeback and go up more than 2,300% in basically 3 months. And it's true that we had a move to the downside lately and that the price dropped from our all-time high at roughly 3.7 US dollars all the way down to 1.14. But despite that, no one can deny that Fantom has been amazing throughout this year. Fantom has been amazing throughout 2021. So here comes the remaining question. Is 1.14 US dollars really our local bottom, or is Fantom due to further corrections going into 2022? Now, if we take a look at our momentum indicators, and let's just start with the KDG right here, we can see that the upward pressure is beginning on the weekly time frame. It's not here yet, since we aren't above the level of 20 on the KDG, which means that we don't have a confirmation for the time being, but nonetheless, it's clear that the downward pressure is slowly coming to an end. Same thing on the stochastic RSI. It looks like we do have a cross right here between our green and red line, with both lines heading to the upside, indicating a reversal and a bullish momentum. Now, what we need right here is the green line to win the race against the red line to the upside, which will take the price to higher levels. So, on the bigger picture, FTM is bullish and Fantom is looking like it's back, but we can't deny the fact that it's looking shaky on the short term, especially with Bitcoin being weak and trending below the bull market support bands for the time being. And if we take a look at our momentum indicators again on a daily time frame this time, or let's just look at the 12 hours chart since it's much more obvious, we can see why FTM is shaky. So here we do have a bearish cross on the stochastic RSI, and the same thing is on the KDG. The black line is following a trajectory to the downside, and we do have an exhaustion with the blue line, which is slowly getting close to the orange line, indicating a temporary end of a bullish trend on the short term. So what does this mean? Well, it simply means that on the short term, things aren't looking great. We surely won't drop to 1.4 US dollars. It's not likely, but there is a high chance, there is a high probability that FTM sees some pullbacks in the upcoming days, taking us back below 2 US dollars to 1.8 to 1.7 bucks. Now, this is on the short term, but overall, on the bigger picture and on the macro scale, things still look sharp and things still look decent for Fantom heading into Q1 of 2022. And this is why I personally wouldn't enter right now. It's simply because I don't want to expose my money to a risk for a 5 or 10% move to the upside. It's better to be safe than sorry, and I would rather miss on us going up a bit and missing out on some gains than investing now and losing 20% of my money. You really don't want to be that guy that buys in here and 2 days later you see the price dropping down and going to lower targets, because the same guy that does this, the same guy that jumps in blindly, is the one that will sell when the price goes down, which will end up with him getting wrecked. And I'm pretty sure that you don't want to be that guy, because everyone in this market had similar experiences and it sucks. So this was about it, guys. It was just a small update. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, leave the video a thumbs up, join our Telegram. Stay safe if you are trading Fantom on the short term. Thanks for sticking by and peace.